Hello! Here's an easy way to create shiny apple-shaped nails. Paint a red circle as the apple, then draw a brown stem. Finally, add sparkling clear gel polish for a glossy finish. If you love the sparkle of cat eyes, you can create a heart-shaped design like this. The heart is formed in the middle of the nail, but when the nail moves, the heart size changes too. As you can see, the nail shines with dazzling beauty. Powder pink polish is painted on all nails with white tips. White powder is brushed on top, finished with a glossy top coat. Shimmering green polish is brushed in the center into a circle. Then a magnetic wand is applied. Clear white gel polish is shaped into a circle and placed on top of the green. This creates an apple shape like in the picture above. Add a stem by painting brown, then finish with a glossy top coat. The nails are done. Milky white polish is painted on tips, white powder brushed over the nail. Add a red bow design. Finish with a sheer white top coat. Soft and elegant. Brush pink powder on top, then apply a glossy coat. Next, brush white powder and paint a 5-petal flower with white polish. The stem extends. This nail set captures the beauty of peach blossoms. Brown powder is gently brushed on the upper half of the nail. The nails are long and rounded for a sleek look. A glossy top coat is carefully applied. White powder is softly buffed over the entire nail. This simple nail set is perfect for those who love a gentle, elegant style. Here's how to get the nail set called Pink Seashell Nails. This set beautifully combines dark pink and light pink shades. It's perfect for summer beach days and sunny fun adventures. Next is how to create a cute bunny on your nails. The polish used is dark pink cat eye polish. Shape the bunny, then add eyes, nose, and whiskers. Finish with a glossy top coat. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Grayish blue powder is applied to the upper half of the nail. Add a glossy top coat. Use sheer white polish to draw curves at the tip. Brush gold powder on, then white. This color combo makes nails elegant. Opaque white polish is painted on the nails. Blue draws curved lines from left to right, resembling ocean waves. Straight lines radiate out from the bottom right corner. Sheer white polish is applied over the lines. This set is called Blue Seashell Nails. Don't you think it's beautiful? This fresh, vibrant nail set is perfect for summer. Check it out. Create a 5-petal flower in the center using sheer white gel polish. Just looking at it feels like summer. Paint nails pink all over. Brush white powder on top, then a glossy coat. Your bubble bath blazed nails are complete. Paint the tips of the nails with pinkish white. Stamp lip shapes onto them using a small sponge. All nails are done this way. Very simple and easy to do. Brush pink powder on the lower half and purple on the upper nail. Apply glossy top coat, then white powder. Paint a butterfly shape with white polish, then add a sheer coat. A beautiful fairy nail set. First, shape the fake nails carefully, then paint them white. Next, paint brown on both sides to create cat ears. One nail features a curved tail shape using brown gel polish, and another nail shows cat paws. This nail set is called Kitty Nails. Each nail is designed based on a detail of the cat, and when combined, they create an incredibly cute and adorable set. To quickly paint cherry shapes, put color on the pencil's eraser end, then press it onto the nail to stamp the color. After that, draw the stem with green polish. Apply clear gel over the red part, cure under a UV lamp, and finish with a glossy top coat. See? It's very fast. This beautiful nail set perfectly combines matcha green and soft pink, which is why it's called Strawberry Matte. Just hearing the name already feels so sweet, doesn't it? Black polish is applied to the tips. A sheer white line is added along the edge. Gold powder is brushed on top. Then a glossy coat. Just like that, your nails are complete. A light beige color is painted on the tips of the nails. Pink polish mixed with beige is used to draw delicate flower petals along the edges. All nails are done the same way. Add shiny beads to make the nails stand out more. This is an incredibly sweet nail set for anyone wanting to get their nails done on Valentine's Day. Red hearts are drawn in different positions on each nail. It's simple, elegant.